Full touch of Alkaline. Big up BT UK. Okay? Mad.
It's a girl, Monica Lee, and today I'm sat next to a musical powerhouse. Yes, that's right. I'm here with the one and only Alkaline. Hi.
What up? Listen.
How are you feeling?
Super.
Good. Can I just say you're looking absolutely great. You are ready.
Yeah,
you're ready for London.
Yeah, man, you're looking nice, just the same. You know?
Thank you so much. And I just want to say one absolute pleasure to have you here, live and direct, in the flesh, having a conversation. It's been a few years. So it's nice to just be able to just vibe.
Hey, man, it's a vibe, you know?
Good.
Being in another place and in the flesh.
How would you say your sound has grown or changed in 2025 compared to when you first started?
Go more in my style as time goes on, you know?
Okay.
Go more in my one style, you know? Yeah.
Okay, we love that. You did first start, you came out with a bang, you came out doing what you're doing best and definitely just took things to another level. Do you feel like you had to continue doing that in order to just kind of stay relevant in 2025?
Just do me, you know what I mean? And the people appreciate it and respect that.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I was glad we bring and we do for it so far, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. Anyone that has inspired you to be where you are today?
Not really. Just the fans and love of the fans, you know? Grateful for the support that we get. Grateful for everybody who's involved. I look forward for more, you know? Yeah, I'm taking it on higher levels, you know?
To be fair, just watching you and just seeing how you've grown and progressed and just continue to hit different ceilings, 100%. Having new rules, yeah, it's doing a big deal.
You got the music, you know? You know what I mean? Anyway, there's some of that.